How can you fix the Wi-Fi password being incorrect? What are some options you have available and what can you do about it? Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. First of all, I would go to the settings app of the iPad and iPhone, whatever, right? And just go to the Wi-Fi and see what's really going on. So make sure that you are connecting to the proper network. Sometimes it happens that some network names, as you can see, are like very similar. So it might like cause you to accidentally try to connect to the wrong one or whatever. But most definitely pay attention to the keyboard. So you might even like know that the password is properly written, but under the keyboard you accidentally type something wrong and you don't see it because it turns into these like dots, and perhaps you have the correct password but you like make a typo or something and it doesn't connect. So what you could technically do is to type it in fully into some other place, like into a note or some other place so you can see it fully, and then copy and paste it, so to ensure that you're not making any typo. That would be something you can do. Outside of that, also, if you have been connected to some like passwords or some Wi-Fi networks before, the passwords are going to be stored in the passwords app where you can get inside, go to the Wi-Fi codes, and all of those are going to be stored in here. So if you like have some previous ones which you have used and you want to get access to them, you can find it right here, and it might help you out as well. Depends on your situation, but I'm just trying to show you all of the things which could help you out. But at the end of the day, if you are sure that the password is correct for that network, and if it still doesn't work, I would just perform a quick reset. It's not like resetting the whole iPhone, but only network settings. And you can find it by going to the general section, transfer or reset at the bottom, click and reset, and then the network settings can be reset. As I've said, this will like forget all of your known networks, all of the Bluetooth devices and everything, and you're gonna start fresh, but hopefully it will help us fix the issue. So let me know if you managed to do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss explanations and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.